welcome to my view. Do we have audio? Oh, good. Thank you very much. That's always encouraging when I start talking and there's somebody there. Anyway, good morning. This is September 22nd, Tuesday, and I want to take just a couple of minutes. There's not a heck of a lot. There's not much news. There's not too much happening right now. But the big thing of note, especially for the index traders this morning, is all of the indices traded down, and seriously down overnight. It looks like this drop on literally across the board on the U.S. indices started just about the time the London session opened. It about 2 o'clock in the morning our time. So you might want to take a look at that. If you trade those indices, I would suggest you scroll back in your chart and kind of get a feel for that. I don't know, we all need to be able to take advantage of these kinds of things. I'm just maybe we can get the programmers to give us an alarm, an alert, so we can all wake up and get up and make lots of money in the middle of the night. Just, you know, on those times when it does happen, because that sure isn't the case every single night. This morning, it looks like gold might be trying to come up off of its lows. We'll have to wait and see. The dollar is up a little bit. If you trade the UJ pair, today is another banking holiday in Japan. Be aware of that. The indices are all off except for Japan, which is the Japanese yen, the 6, and I'm talking about the futures. The 6J is up. And crude oil is drifting down. The commodities are drifting down. They sure had a nice day yesterday. I always try to notice what the VIX is relative to where it has been. It's continuing a pattern of the last couple of weeks. It's drifting down. It's about 20 right now. So the reason we're watching that VIX is when that VIX starts to go up, you're going to see these U.S. stock indices, the NQ and the TF and the YM and the ES are going to, they're going to go into a bearish mode. So we can watch for that. And let's see. Overnight, the Brent contracts were trading down a little bit. I kind of got encouraged yesterday towards the close because Brent made a nice move up, but it doesn't want to hold that. So let's look at crude oil this morning. We are well below settlement. Settlement is, let me get my pointer for you. Settlement is way up here at 47-ish, and we're trading right now down here around 45.70. The apex indicators have turned into red, so that's a change from the blue. So this would be the second, the first E red. It's kind of covered up because when this thing changes and the ice and the day's highs and lows change, it gets covered up by some of this stuff. But we are now, this is the second E of the apex red E, so we can say that yes, this is in a downtrend right now. But if you notice, we're very close to the low of the day. Yes, it can go lower. Will it? Who knows? We're not in the business of predicting the future, so that's one of the interesting things about trading. You never know till it happens. That's all I see for right now. I don't find the 6 tick or the equivalent 6 tick. This is the new 210 shadow bars chart that's equivalent to our 6 tick diagnostic. I don't find that very useful right now because of this chop. So this is a time to sit, wait, see what happens. Good trades will turn up today. Just keep in mind you want to take the good ones, not the bus drivers. Here, why don't you get on this bus? No, I don't think so. I'm going to wait for a better bus and a better driver. So I will see you at noon, and we'll go over the trades that hopefully we had great success with, and some of the pitfalls we might have seen. This has been my view in my world at Apex Land, brought to you by Apex Investing.